was a little child, I learned a few simple things. If you smile at a dog, the dog smiles back at you. If you give love to a tree, the tree gives love back to you. If you nourish the earth nourishes you. If you feed the birds sing for you. When I was a little child, I often wondered why there was day and night, where the rain came from and where the clouds were going. I wondered why we could talk and animals could not. As I watched the ants disappear into the cracks, I wondered how they live. I found my answers when I learned there is a higher power that keeps the world going. It's called nature. Nature has set rules for how everything works. We call that science understanding. Science helps us design, create, and imagine new things into being. Electricity, microwaves, cars and airplanes, vaccines and medicines. And even though I understand science a bit, I still wonder where the ants go. When I feel confused, I turn to Beebo, and Beebo says to me, the only limit is you, what you can see, the dots you connect, the love you create. The future is yours to